So if it's and it's like the guns argument. If we all if everybody who thought guns were bad got rid of their guns, you think criminals are going to get rid of their guns? They're not. So and AI is the same thing. If we said, okay, let's go super slow AI, you think China's going to slow down? You think EU's going to slow down? You think now it's open source, so people, just random people, nation states can just governments or companies are not going to stop going fast with it. So I'm not sure which way to go with this. I don't know. I do know we definitely need some kind of regulation because there's real risks to AI. So it's a double-edged sword, and we're gonna find out with our lives about with this, which is crazy. It's a crazy time to live in, that's for sure. But yeah, AI.gov, and it talks about some of the initiatives that they have, the direction they're going to go. But like I said, in 4 years, all this is going to change. Who knows where we're going to what they're going to do in 4 years? And this brings me to another article where this guy, I thought this was interesting. So this guy, in the beginning of 2025, he wrote this article. He said, "The year of global AI cybersecurity regulation, 7 predictions for 2025." Now that we're mostly through 2025, we're more than halfway through it. Let's look at some of his predictions. So he said, results of 2025. So 2024, results of 2024. He said current cybersecurity and AI environments have been marked significant advances and challenges as organizations increase their adoption of AI technologies. It's all 2024, and face new vulnerabilities, particularly in AI powered attacks, deep fake scams, and now they're way beyond just deep fakes. Right now we're into prompt injection attacks and all kinds of stuff, and it's going to get crazier. It's going to get crazier. So coming off of 2024, it was emerging technology, people starting to use it, and now we're about 6 months into this, and it's moving super fast.